First, I'd like to appreciate Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency in collaboration with Usaid M-Rite for giving journalists of Edo State the opportunity to know more about the intake of COVID-19 vaccine. Lately, there have been so much myths, so much rumors and stories surrounding the intake of COVID-19 vaccines, and a lot of persons seem to have stayed away. But with what we have gathered here today, it goes to show that you can take COVID-19 vaccine without too much stress and no much side effects compared to what we hear outside. So, as media team here in Edo State, it's our responsibility now to take it up from there, and I want to assure them that with what we have garnered in this 2-day training here in Benin at the Press Center, we will also go back to push the news to the public and encourage them to go all out to be part of the COVID-19 vaccine. That when you take it, there's no much side effect compared to what we hear from people. So we in the media, we are now fully informed on the need for us now to also subject ourselves, to the COVID-19 vaccination exercise. I also got to know that a lot of journalists in Edo State have since taken the various doses, even up to the booster, including myself. I've taken that as well. So now we have been fully informed that members of the public, especially those in Edo State, should now be encouraged to turn out EMAs. It's also the responsibility of the media in Edo State to support the Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency and that of Usaid M-Rite on the need for the people to turn out EMAs to vaccinate themselves, because we need to reach out to the target of 70%, unlike what is happening at the moment. So I thank them for bringing this exercise to the media house, and then we can assure them that this message will go down the grassroots.
Edo State deemed it fit to organize this awareness program with the Usaid M-Rite organizers to come engage us, the journalists in Edo State, so that we will know about the safety and the effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccine, to also remove that fear that many people have, and to also let them know that COVID-19 is still very much around us and with us, and still doing a lot of damages, hidden somewhere that we cannot see. But because of that mindset that many people have, that COVID-19 vaccine have actually done more harm than good, this awareness today has actually opened my eyes in particular. That is the COVID-19 wrap-up campaign program that is going on, which very soon we'll be hearing everywhere flying. We are thanking them again because they have organized this so big. We have never had it like this before. The room was so filled. There was a program yesterday, and today is the second day for us to be engaged with the journalists, so that as we tell you about COVID-19 vaccine, we don't have any fear anymore, because if we are convinced, we'll be able to convince you to go for COVID-19 vaccine. Please, daddies and mommies out there, even children are involved. This thing is just like, as we started advertising or educating people, telling them about immunization, many people were afraid. Today, if you don't give your children immunization, you stand to lose a lot as they are growing. And by then, maybe a lot of destructions would have been done on your children. Please, COVID-19 vaccine is for you and me. It is very safe and effective. So if you have not taken, please go for it right now. As I speak, begin to think of how you are going to do it. These people have actually put up a big job and a big work. So I say thumbs up to them, big well done to them. Edo State government, Usaid M-Rite, and all the organizers of this COVID-19 wrap-up campaign program. I say well done again and kudos. All glory to God, and I believe that the end would be our big joy at the end of the day.
My name is Silvio Alavi from the Reliance newspaper. I'm one of the participants in the program or training organized by the Usaid in collaboration with the Edo State government. Indeed, it's a wonderful program, a laudable program, whereby we have been trained on how to pass the good message to the people on the safety of the COVID-19 vaccine. Indeed, they have enlightened us that indeed the vaccine is safe, and the public should be aware and engage to take this vaccine, not to have any bad view or idea about this vaccine. Many people have the opinion or have wrong impression about the vaccine, that the vaccine causes several diseases or ailments. But with the lecture or the training we receive, indeed the vaccine is safe and they can take it without no side effect.
My name is Chris Tode Mosola Kabwe. I'm the state correspondent to the Champion newspaper in Edo State here. The Usaid M-Rite, in collaboration with the Ministry of Edo State Ministry of Health, in the engagement of with the Edo State journalists, has become very, very imperative to create the needed awareness that the scourge of COVID-19 is still very much with us, and that we need to take the necessary precaution to make sure that this is totally eliminated. And that precaution is by way of getting everybody getting the vaccine, because that is the only way we can, fight this scourge.
Okay, do I work with Edo Broadcasting Service? This media engagement that has been put together with Usaid M-Rite in collaboration with Edo State government is a top-notch engagement. Why did I say so? There will be series of myths, series of conspiracy theories, series of statements, of things that are so becoming, talking about the COVID-19 vaccine. People are scared of taking it. People shy away from it. Even those that have taken the first dose have refused to take the second dose. But thank God Edo State, it's receptive to the COVID-19 vaccine. But with this engagement today, I for one have come to understand that most of these myths and these theories surrounding COVID-19 vaccines are mere fallacies. So what am I talking about? You see our religious organizations, they should take the message to the churches. Let the imams take the message to the mosque. Let the journalists themselves take the message to the street. Let the people know that the COVID-19 vaccine is safe for our use. We should go and take it. For those who have not yet used it, should go and take the vaccine. For those who have taken the first dose, go for the second dose. And those who have taken the second dose, go for the booster. It is safe, it is reliable, it's to safeguard our health. It is our time we do what is right and follow the right path so that our health lives will be safe and secured.
Victor of Dark Communications, the owners of AIT and REPA, Benin Center. Today, Usaid M-Rite, in collaboration with Edo State's primary healthcare agency, decide to engage Nigerian Union of Journalists, Edo State Council, in a campaign awareness forum on the COVID-19 scourge. The program has actually opened my eyes and the eyes of everyone present that COVID-19 still dwells very much with us, and that the era of COVID-19 is not over. And the program also further enlightened, that all the mystery and myths surrounding the COVID-19 vaccine, were all rumors. And it is on that note, with the information and knowledge that we have been imparted with today, that we are calling out on the general populace to say that in this ramp-up campaign that is coming up, we're encouraging everyone to please come out en masse and ensure that they get vaccinated, that the vaccines are actually safe and not harmful, as it has been, as people are trying to put it out there, in the public domain.